Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get followers on Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, go to addmefast.com. Click sign up in the upper right corner. Click registration. Enter your email and create a password. Click sign up. Click on the menu icon and choose Instagram followers. There's a task. We'll get 8 points for this follow. Click follow. Then click confirm and wait for the system to verify the task. A few minutes later, I have 315 points on my balance from the task. Now let's order some free followers here. To do this, click menu and click add. Choose Instagram followers and enter your Instagram username. Choose how many followers you want to get. Click Save Changes. As you can see, we got 20 followers in just 5 minutes. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.